welcome to level 1 of the Arduino Introductions series. In this video, we will discuss the introduction to Arduino for beginners, which will be divided into several chapters, such like understanding microcontrollers and why Arduino is beginner-friendly, various Arduino boards, example Arduino projects, and what is needed to learn Arduino, including the option to learn without hardware using Tinkercad. Make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss out, okay? Let's go! A microcontroller is a small chip that can be programmed to perform various electronic tasks, such as reading sensors and controlling motors. Why is Arduino suitable for beginners? Because open source and has a large community, and Arduino is easy to learn with a simple programming language. Arduino has many tutorials and references are available, and it can be used for various projects without needing a deep understanding of electronics. Arduino has various types of boards, including Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega, Arduino Nano, and Arduino Leonardo. Arduino Uno, this one is the most popular one for beginners. In Arduino Mega, it has more pins, so this one is suitable for large projects. Arduino Nano is smaller and cheaper. It makes this one is suited for small project. And the last one is Arduino Leonardo. It has built-in USB features. For beginners, the Arduino Uno is the best choice as it is easy to use and has many tutorials. Arduino can be used for a variety of creative projects, such as smart home, like automation and smart home alarm, or robotics, robot car, robot arm, or environment monitoring, temperature monitoring, temperature, humidity, air pollution sensors, or even IoT, Internet of Things, is connecting sensor to the internet for remote monitoring. To start learn Arduino, we need first one is Arduino board, of course, and second is USB cable. It's to connect the Arduino computer, okay? And the third is basic electronic components like LED, sensors, simple sensors, resistors, and others. And the last one is Arduino IDE. But how if we don't have hardware? Don't worry, you can learn using Tinkercad, an online simulator that lets you try Arduino circuits and coding without having to buy hardware. Well, that was a basic introduction to Arduino for beginners. In the next video, we will start learning basic Arduino coding. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss it. If you have any question, just put them in the comment section. See you next time in the next video. Bye!